Hey everyone, it's Andrew with Little Egypt Golf Cars. The end of the nice weather season is kind of coming to an end. I mean, we've got summer 3.0 happening right now, but it's going to be cooling off. The weather's going to be changing. Everybody's back to school, getting busy again. So what we see is a lot of people are done with their cars for the season coming up in the next month or so, and they just park them and forget about them. If you have lithium batteries, that's okay. You can turn the car off, park the car, forget about it. It's maintenance free. It'll be fine. Most people don't. Everybody's still running the lead acid batteries in their electric car. So there's a few things that need to be done with those lead acid batteries over the course of the wintertime to prevent them from getting damaged or ruined. Okay, I just want to... We have here waiting to be serviced. This is not what lead acid batteries are supposed to look like. Okay, these have just been neglected. I mean, everybody gets busy, it happens, but they get corrosion built up on them, which breaks the wiring, as you can see right here. They get dirty. All those caps are supposed to be taken off about once a month or so and fill the cells up with distilled water. But like I said, everybody gets busy. It's part of the deal. That's why we have a service department, but we want to help save you some money if we can. So with these batteries, towards the end of the season, always check the water before you're done with them. So take these caps off right here. They just pop off. Use some eye protection or some gloves, and you can see some cells down in there. Okay, these are decent right now. They have water. You need to have water up covering the battery plates. The water needs to be about an inch from the top of this. You don't want them totally full. So distilled water is recommended, but regular tap water is okay. So you want to have all the batteries filled with water. You want to make sure all the corrosion is off of all those posts. So just take a socket or a wrench, take the nut off, take the eyelet off, clean that really good. You can do baking soda and water, rinse them all off, keep them nice and clean. You can spray some battery post protectant on there. You can get that at any auto parts store. So water the batteries, clean the cables and posts, and then make sure they're fully charged when you park it. Now, lead acid batteries will still run down on their own, so you need to check your car about once a month, plug it back into the charger, top the charge back off. That way the batteries won't freeze or bust. If they're fully charged, okay, the weather won't affect them. But if they run down, they can freeze, they can bust, they can get majorly damaged. So there's kind of a lot of upkeep on these lead acid batteries. If you don't want to mess with it, come in. We'll give you a price and a quote on converting your electric car over to lithium which is maintenance free. So everything that I've explained to you, you can throw out the window. Lithium, you charge the car, drive it. That's all you do to it. These, you've got to water them. You've got to keep them clean. You've got to keep them charged. But we wanted to share this information with you because we hear a lot of people, when they come in, they say they were never taught anything about their lead acid batteries, or they didn't know they were supposed to clean them or water them or anything like that. So we're just trying to pass on some helpful information. As always, if you need anything, we're here Monday through Friday, 8 to 5. Saturday is 8 to 2, and we can always be reached at 618-548-2366, or follow us on Facebook or YouTube, or our website is www.littleegyptgolfcars.com. Thanks, everyone.